I'm going to show you guys the cutest apartment in Cape Town. How much do you think it goes for? Let me know how much you think it goes for. Okay, but you've seen the title, you already know how much it goes for. So yeah, it's on Long Street. It's like a busy street in the CBD where all the restaurants and clubs are. Yeah, so let me show you and then you let me know if you like it. Yeah, let me show you around.